young people, this MLA, MLC difference is very confusing, especially for urban people. How would you explain the difference?
See, MLA is member of Legislative Assembly, which is elected from public.
Yeah.
And MLC is member of Legislative Council, who is elected by MLAs.
Correct. And what do you think
And
the
some
difference?
of them are elected by teachers. There are 2-3 different types also, teachers, graduates.
Correct.
But the difference in the roles between the two.
No, rules are mostly similar.
जर आपण बघितलं की विधानसभेमध्ये तुम्ही लोकलाइज होऊन जाता, तुम्ही तुमच्या मतदारसंघाची जबाबदारी मोठी असते,
Absolutely.
तिकडचे प्रश्न असतात. विधान परिषदमध्ये तुमचा मतदारसंघ हा राज्य असतो.
ओके.
तर तुम्ही एका विधानसभा पुरताच मर्यादित बोलण्याची गरज लागत नाही. तुम्ही राज्यामध्ये काही गोष्टी बोलू शकता, जाऊ शकता, करू शकता. तर दोघांमध्ये खूप डिफरन्स. विधानसभेमध्ये कायदे ज्यावेळी केले जातात ते पारित होऊन नंतर आमच्याकडे येतात.
Correct.
Yes, right.
So it's big picture thinking.
Ha,
In a
खाली
way,
आलेच
that is
नाही तर वरती
the
काय येणार,
बरोबर.
वरून
Exactly.
खाली जात नाही. Because legislative council was made first and
And
then
then
Vidhan
the
Sabha was
legislative
there.
Assembly.
So always there is a legacy and debate कि you all are small, we are bigger.